नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो बच्चों। A very good morning to all of you. I Om Prakash Kesari, Assistant Professor from Department of Mathematics under Department of Science and Technology, which are comes under Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. I am here with you for enlightening the orientation program for your course. It is well known to say that the education is not filling a message but lightening a lamp. The education is not filling a message but lightening a lamp. It is more formation than information. It is more formation than information. It is not only knowing few hours, that is reading, writing, and learning. It's enlightening oneself, identifying oneself, exploring oneself. So, needless to point out that the aim of education is not merely a question of some information. It is the spirit of devotion towards the cause of humanity. Dear students, all of you are welcome to the new academic session 2020-21. I am counting on you to make this year a best year at Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur in the various program. And your program is BSc B.Ed PCM first semester or BSc first semester student. We are here to support you at every step of your life. We are glad to have you back each to continue your journey towards the betterment of your life. As you started new academic year, take advantage of many services available to help you to achieve your full potential. Remember that the library and the career services are here to help you. I encourage you to get involved to various parties program to participate in various opportunity inactive hosted by the Student Development Authority of the Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur inside your campus life. We supporting you to in center to your mission at Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. We are here to guide you as you will become a best version of yourself. This is the first national state private university, and this university got Swachhta Ranking 2019 award. Now, I taught you in this paper, a mathematics paper. The name of the paper is Number Theory, Theory of Equation and Matrices. In this paper taught in BSc first semester student and BSc BA PCM first semester student. Once again, namaste bachcho. These are the lesson planning. Lesson planning is defined as the planning of daily session related with a particular unit of a subject to cover by the teacher in a specific school period or the realization of some stipulated instrumental objectives. It is a sort of the theoretical chalking out of the detail of the journey which a teacher is going to perform practically in the classroom along with the student. There are some steps for planning a lesson. These are, some of them are: first one is the preparation, that means prepare for the class and then present what we prepare, and then association. After that we generalize all these things for all the students, and then finally study the some application of that subject. These are the components of lesson plan. The first one is the identifying data. That means we first identify the data which we have to study. After that, aid some materials, and then instructional objectives. That means what is the objective of this study of these things, and then testing the previous knowledge. And then after testing the previous knowledge, that means in your last class what we have taught you, testing all these things, and then introduction and announcement of the topic. That means in today class I will announce, in every class I will announce that this topic will be taught. After that, presentation. That means we present all these things. Is in face-to-face class I will present all these things in blackboard or whiteboard, or in digital I will present all these things in PPT mode or digital mode. After that, recapitulation. That means recap all these things and then give some home assignment for you. No, number theory is the subject of mathematics. This is the subject of science which are taught in BSc first PCM first semester student and BSc B.Ed PCM first semester student also. Uh, Now I'm going to move to show you some show you the syllabus, detail of the syllabus which we have taught you. The syllabus for BSc B.Ed and BSc are same up to 6 semester. This is the syllabus for BSc B.Ed PCM integrated course. In your first semester, you learn various subjects such as in language paper you have learned English language, Hindi language. In education paper you have learned holistic education. In mathematics you have learned two paper. One is the differential calculus and analytical geometry, and next one is the number theory, theory of equation and matrices. I taught you theory of number theory, theory of equation and matrices, which are 7 credit paper, in which 6 credit paper is theory and 1 credit is for application part. That means assignment. And overall this semester content 65 plus 2 credit, in which 51 credit is for theory, 2.5 credit is for practical, and 8 credit is for practical, and 3.5 is for practice. Now note that here C represents the credit number, T represents the number of theory, P represents the number of practical and per course, and D represents the demonstration tutorial, and PS represents the practical session in the lecture hall. One main thing is also noted that the credit is defined as the 1 credit is equal to 10 hour, but for theory, but for practical 1 credit is equal to 20 hours. In this course you have total 65 point plus 2, that means 67 credit in your first semester. Now come to the your own paper, number theory, theory of equation and matrices. This paper content 4 units, and I already told you this paper has 7 credit, 6 credit for theory and 1 credit for PS. That means practical session. In the first unit, we taught you theory of numbers. That means number theory, in which we have taught you first the division algorithm. Before teaching you the division algorithm, we first define some basic terminology. That means what is number theory, how can the number will comes, and then prime and composite number, providing the existence and uniqueness of GCD and their Euclid algorithm. Fundamental theorems of arithmetic, the least common multiple, congruency, linear congruency, Williamson's theorem, simultaneous congruency, theorems of Euler's Fermat theorem and language, and then finally Chinese theorem. In Unit 2, I will taught you the theory of equation, which you have already studied in your primary classes as the name of quadratic equation. I will see here the in quadratic equation the power of higher power of x is 2, but here we see the common form. That means higher power may be more than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we see the relation between roots and coefficients of the equations, symmetric functions, transformation, reciprocal equations, Descartes rule of sign for finding the roots, multiple roots, solving cubic equation by Cardan's method, solving quadratic equation by Descartes method and Ferrari methods. And then in Unit 3, we will see the basic terms of determinant and matrices, in which we have see the matrix of order n by m by n, algebra of matrices, symmetric and skew symmetric matrices, Hamiltonian and skew Hamiltonian matrices, and their standard properties, determinants, adjoint of a square matrix, singular and non-singular matrix, rank of a matrix, elementary row, elementary column operation, invariance of rank under elementary operation, inverse of a non-singular matrix by elementary operations. All these things are studied in third unit, and this third unit of matrix is a basic. After that, we studied some advanced part of the matrices, in which we have see the systems of n linear equations in n unknowns, matrices associated with linear equation, trivial and non-trivial solutions of the matrices, criteria for existence of non-trivial solutions of homogeneous and non-homogeneous system, criteria for uniqueness of solution, eigenvalue and eigenvector of the square matrix. This is very important topic, eigenvalue and eigenvector, which comes with the help of characterization of the square matrix, in which we have studied in theorem, and the theorem is known as Cayley-Hamilton theorem. The eigenvalue and eigenvector of a real symmetric metric property, diagonalization of a real symmetric matrix, and Cayley-Hamilton theorem. This theorem is very important in your course. Application to determine the power of the square matrix and inverse of non-singular matrix. That means some application part of the matrices. For your sake of interest, I will tell you the this application is very important in our day-to-day life. You know, when you text someone or you use ATM card in any ATM machine or online transaction, all these things are encrypted. All these things are encrypted because these all these things are used the inverse of a matrix. That means when we use any code, this code will be converted into a new code. That means pin code will convert it into a new code, and this new code can be converted into further a new code. This will be sent by the machine to the receiver. After receiving that code, bank bank will transfer the amount which we you want to withdraw, and then this code will be executed. This is very interesting applications in our day-to-day life. Now, for I will suggest you some books on this. The Algebra by Supan Kumar Sarkar, Theory of Number by Johnny Carle, and Number Theory by David N. Burton, Algebra, Theory of Equation, and Higher Algebra, Linear Algebra. Lot of books are there. We will follow any of them. Now this session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope all of you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any queries, please mention in the comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you for watching my this lecture video. Thank you, बच्चों.